let's pick up with the file we used in the last video. I believe it was linear cost final one. And you recall we got the best fitting least squares line with the trend curve. We got the R squared value. And there are some functions in Excel that can obtain these calculations, do these calculations without the charting. And the functions can be more useful because then you don't have to create a chart for each set of data. So let's name these ranges. We know how to do that by now. Formulas create from selection. And so let's, top row, let's duplicate getting the slope of the least squares line. Now, what would you guess the function is to get the slope of the least squares line? Guess what? It's the slope function. So you type in slope, and the y's come first. The y range is the cost. Then you put a comma, use F3, units produced, like that. So that'll predict the monthly cost from the units produced, get the slope of the line, and it's 64.2687. I could add more decimal points there to get that more exact. Let's say 6 to make it really exact. Okay, and the intercept, guess what? The function's the intercept. That's the constant in the regression. So monthly cost comes first. Units produced comes second. Okay, and so that gets us the best fitting line. I'm going to go back and get the predicted cost with a more accurate equation here. And let's add some more decimal points there. Okay, because I want to show you that some of the errors is exactly 0. Now we got the standard error of the regression. Guess what? There's an R squared function. Now it doesn't matter what goes first, the y's or the x's, but for completeness, in this one, monthly cost from units produced. There's your 0.688. Now if I do this predicted cost equation again, I want to show you that we do get exactly the sum of the errors equals 0. The positives and negative errors cancel out. So if I would take that, well, let's just name this slope and intercept. So remember, I can do formulas, create from selection, left column. And so if I would take the slope times units produced plus the intercept, and then copy that down, the sum of the errors should really be almost exactly 0. Okay, those are, oops, one more data point. I'm sorry about that. That should help matters. The sum of the errors is e to the minus 11, 3e to the minus 11, which is 0.10 zeros and then a 3. So you can see that the sum of the distances of the points above the line will equal the sum of the distances of the points below the line. Okay, so that finishes our discussion of the linear, basically fitting a straight line to data. Again, the key is to plot the points and see if the straight line is reasonable, because that won't always be the case with the data, as we'll see in the next example when we look at Google annual revenues for the years, I believe, 2006 through 2010, which we'll do in the next video.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.